Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Finally got our sign lit up here. There's all kind of cool patterns and everything. But anyways, we're working on a 2023 Porsche 911 Turbo S. We did a Radenso radar, front and rear sensors, and we did 5 laser jammers from AL Priority. They're basically the best 2 systems, and they combine forces to equal 1 like Voltron. But we did the front jammers here. Basically what we did is a compound curve, so these have to be basically completely even front to back and side to side, and then they have to be perpendicular to the front. So this was a compound curve because you can see this cuts down, and then going backwards it cuts down, so we had to do a compound mount there. So we did a 3 degrees to the right and left, and then 10 degrees to the rear. And same thing, this was just a rear sloping sensor there in the middle, and then we have our third sensor over on the side, and those basically jam the laser so they can't get a reading, and then after 6 seconds they turn off, so if they do shoot you they can get a reading. And then the rear, same thing, these are 16-degree angles, that way it keeps them perfectly level to the ground. They weren't compound, so there was no side-to-side leveling to do. And then we basically added the radar sensors in the bumpers here. So the radar will go through the plastic, but it won't go through metal, so we had to take the back bumper off, and we set the radar right behind that. And then the front, did the same thing. We put it behind the basically right behind here. You can't really see it. And then coming into the inside, we didn't really want to drill any holes in the car, so we mounted the display up here. Turn it on. Right up top. And then we have the GPS antenna there along with the light, and then the other GPS antenna over there, and that's for the AL Priority. And this car's pretty sweet. So we got the blue stitching going on. We had some dash pieces, painted the shark blue to match the interior, match the exterior of the car. But this system, the Radenso RC-M, coupled with the AL Priority jammers, pretty much the best system out there. They've been tested everywhere. But if you're in Jacksonville or around the area, we can do a custom system for you. You can give us a call, 904-333-2322.